Namhlanje Vuma mfethu bengifisa sikhulume nabalaleli bethu ukuthi ba-understande i-worth yabo, ba-understande ukubaluleka khona izinto uNkulunkulu ayifake kubona noma ayifake kuthina njengabantu ezisenza ukuthi sibaluleke. Mfethu ngeke ngenza ucwaningo cause ngilikhonzile ucwaningo. Khona le telescope eyenziwe eAmerica mfethu eyabiza u10 billion itotal. 10 billion mfethu dollars not rand. 10 billion dollars. Le telescope mfethu siyasebenza manje. Ngicabanga ukuthi kwaku during COVID beyisa phezulu emkhathini. Yabo the distance between the earth to the moon. The telescope is 4 times in terms of its distance between us. Ithombe mfethu eyithathayo le telescope inzima ngalendlela. Inhloso nqanga mfethu yeNASA ukuthi benze lento bebefuna ukuthola ukuthi ngabe khona yini impilo kwamanye ama planet. Uyabona lento le. So ngekathi benza lezi zinto mfethu bathola izinto ezinkulu ukuthi kwakwenzakalani during creation, you know, lezi ithombe seziyaveza ukuthi nanka amagesi ayihlangana. And it's quite amazing lethe sikhuluma ngayo ngoba uDavid wathi umeyibuka mfethu into yasemkhathini siyamthola kuPsalm 8 ethi mangibuka izinkanyezi ngibuke the moon ngiyadideka Nkosi ukuthi kungani umuntu umkhathalele kanjena. Uyayibona lento le. uDavid waba nerevelation ukuthi uNkulunkulu ziningi izinto ayidalile ezinkulu umkhathi mkhulu ngalendlela but somehow khona lento evela ngoNkulunkulu ukuthi umuntu umkhathalele khona lento ye-value ekumuntu. Ingakho ke masifunda iBhayibheli lithi uNkulunkulu umuntu wamdala ngesakhiwo ngomfaniso wakhe. Lonto mfethu istembu esikhulu lesisuke sifuna ukuveza ukuthi wena ubaluleke kangakanani. Okusho ukuthi uma umuntu uphila njengamanje kufanele ukhumbule ukuthi uba, you know, ungayithathi nje sinoma kanjani. Uthi uNkulunkulu wambathisa inkazimulo mfethu wafaka izinto kithi, you know. But now uma usubuka Vuma khona u10 billion dollars ospendiwe to understand mfethu ama galaxies. The question enginayo namhlanje kuseni ukuthi njengoba sispendi imali engaka sifuna uku-understand umkhathi ngabe siyazi-understand izinto uNkulunkulu ayifake kithi thina ngoba i-worth yethu izoba khona not because we understand izinto uNkulunkulu azenze out there. I-value yethu izoba khona because we understand izinto azenze kithi thina abantu uqobo as an individual ezungilalele njengamanje uyaziqonda yini izinto uNkulunkulu azenzile ngawe. Into ebhlungu Vuma mfethu uNkulunkulu lezi zinto ufika ayifake kumuntu ebese umuntu emshiya phila ngekathi ayifake kuwena lezi zinto lezi they are there mfethu but zilinde i-access zilinde wena mfethu ukuthi uze wenze i-access. Khona iculo mfethu engilithandayo lelishawa abagroup amaningi. The title of the song is I've Never Been to Me. Uyabala ukuthi sengibile endaweni ezithile ngaba sendaweni engaka but I've never been to me. Namhlanje sifuna ukukhuluma nabantu mfethu asebe travel umhlaba wonke but they've never been to themselves. Awukazi uyiqonda ukuthi nansi into uNkulunkulu ayifake kumina engizele la emhlabeni. Nazi izinto engioperate kuzona mfethu yabo. Yazi Vuma mfethu khona enye movie engayithanda kakhulu esasibuka lapha ekhaya eka King Richard ubaba walamantombazana adlala tennis uKing uVanessa no Serena Williams. Mabe sebancane mfethu uthi ubaba wakhe etshena unkosikazi wakhe uthi inkosikazi umsebenzi wethu sobe siwenzile mhlazane lezi ngane zayiqonda ukuthi zingoba. Uyabona into lo i-worth yakhe izoba khona mhlazane wayiqonda ukuthi uba uma ungakayiqondi lonto mfethu you'll be tossed all over the place. Abantu bazokukhokhela mfethu imali engafanele because you haven't taken time to understand ukuthi uba. Uma ufunda mfethu noma ubuka istory sika Vanessa Williams ena 14 kwafika ideal mfethu ka 3 million dollars yabo. Wayinqaba mfethu ubaba zabhala mfethu izintatheli ukuthi lo baba uyahlanya khona ingane na 14 abafuna isponsor sika 3 million why reject wathi ngiyazi ingane yami worth in
I know how much is worth.
Yes. 7 months later mfethu u3 million dollars washintsha wa14 million dollars because ubazi ukuthi you know ufunani. Now mfethu we need to have that thing in mind ukuthi khona izinto uNkulunkulu ayinstill kuthina, you know, just embrace that thing mfethu because up until u understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukwenzeni mfethu uzotholakala mfethu umerobotini mfethu ucela mfethu u2 rand forgetting ukuthi wena mfethu there's something big ngawe because of i-value onayo ngalezi zinto uNkulunkulu azenza kuwe mfethu yabo. It's important ukuthi we know our worth mfethu. I-challenge esinayo we wanna understand yonke into engaphandle as ama scientists it's not wrong ukuthi understand the galaxies but we also need to take some time to understand i-value uNkulunkulu ayifake kithina mfethu. Ngisakhuluma kanjalo Vuma mfethu kuya kube buhlungu nje obade ngisho uthola ukuthi at the traffic light khona mfethu umuntu ocela u2 rand umuthi uyambuka lo muntu ukube understand mfethu i-value yakhe ukuthi zingakanani izinto mfethu uNkulunkulu ayifake kuwo lo muntu. mfethu. They are businessmen, they are professors mfethu, they are politicians mfethu, they are great leaders abahleli mfethu kuma traffic lights because they've forgotten who they are. They've lost i-worth yabo. Sengiconclude mfethu kulento. It's very interesting ukuthi uKabelo ngenkathi ebambeke kuma drugs enza zonke lezi zinto ayizenza ubuka love ngenkathi ebambeke kuma drugs enza zonke lezi zinto mfethu ayizenza engafanele kuye kwakubambeke umfundisi kwakubambeke a mighty preacher kwakubambeke mfethu imento usementorisha uCasper mfethu mentorisha o Black Coffee. That guy was that gift was trapped in him mfethu use businessman usegijima ama comrade marathon zonke lezi zinto zazi trapped kuyena mfethu edla ama drugs. That's why mfethu sabantu masibona umuntu trapped emgwaqeni asimchwenzi because you know the challenge with abantu, they wait for a manifestation of your gift for them to respect you, but thina on the other hand we respect umfethu uhlele emgwaqeni uyijova because we understand the value that God has instilled in you. Leyo value mfethu trapped like ubona ama-apula trapped kwi-seed. That value is trapped up until the right time. Ingakho Vuma sengiconclude into efike bebuhlungu kakhulu ngathi Vuma, when uNkulunkulu esi-elevator esisebenzisa siyaqala sibe nobuhlungu because we understand ukuthi hayibo ngenkathi sono sengibambile ngenza zonke lezi zinto, there was this greatness that was trapped. That was trapped in me. Awuyitholi le greatness uma ususindiswa isuke kuwena but eba released the minute you operate kuyona. Khona umuntu namhlanje emsebenzini mfethu enye into esilimazayo Vuma, abanye abantu babanjwa ama-one streams of income. Kuba nzima ukubona i-greatness yakho sabanjwe stream of income, one stream of income. Abanye uNkulunkulu uthi bakhuphula baba badlali bebhola ejena ukuthi uzele emhlabeni ukuzodlala ibhola kanti there's so much in you. Understand your worth namhlanje kuseni. God is love.
Hey, Tulani ke Gumede. Understand your worth on Gagas FM Monday Motivation. Will we make sure ukuthi this session